Welcome, guys. Well, if you look at the X account or official or Paws, you'll be wondering, for those of us that have been asking, when is Paws new listing date and why is it that the token has not yet appeared in exchange? Well, when we look down here, you'll see that it said to ensure the best launch environment for you all, the Paws listing date will be slightly adjusted. So every step and shift taken by Paws has always been to make things better. This one's no exception. So new date will be announced soon via the official channel. So right now, for those of us that are asking the official date, the new date has not yet been announced, but let's keep our finger crossed and look out for it. But I believe, and just like everyone is looking at, we are believing that the big sex exchange, that is Binance, there's a high chance that Binance will announce Paws, and I believe that all things are working together for good. So therefore, and when we look at here, it's a millions of users have successfully disputed their Paws to the central exchange. That token will appear in your SEX account by the day of listing. Once the new listing date is being announced, definitely your tokens will surely appear. They will let us know. Let us be looking out to the social angle, the social media, and watch out and see, because definitely information will surely pass on to every one of us, because we know that the postponement of this listing is just to see how they can bring Binance, and when Binance can come in, the Paws can will definitely be of profiting to everyone of the community, because a lot of us are like wondering why didn't they do the listing. But mind you, if the listing had gone ahead a few days back, I don't think it would have been profiting to everyone. But I believe for the postponement, it is definitely going to bring profiting for everyone, so we don't at the end of the day get dust, rather we'll get something good out of this airdrop. So let's just watch out for the new listing date. A lot of people are saying it might be ending of this month, but we are believing that yes, it might be ending of this month of March, or it might be before then. But just like they have said on the official handle that the official date will be announced soon. So let's just watch out and see what comes out of it. And I believe this is just for the benefit of the community. So remember to like this video. And one thing, remember, I want you to like, I want you to subscribe if indeed you want Binance to be listed, because I know when Binance is listed, it's going to be very good for each and every one of us, especially the airdrop, those of us that mine the airdrop. So it will pays everyone at the end. So if you really want it to be, I'd like you to subscribe, like, and what that you can make a notification for you to get more information when the new listing date is coming out, once it's been announced. So that's all I can give to you right now. Truly, I believe Paws is going to do very well, and this new date will be announced sooner or later. So let's just look at and keep our hand crossed and see what comes out of it. Thank you.